Hi everyone, my name is Sabita Vasel and this is my project for CS101. I created a simple program called Mini Garden where users can add flowers to a garden, water them and check their status. This project helped me understand how to use classes, user input and list in Python. I started with a base class called plant. It has two attributes, the plant name and whether it's been watered. There are two methods. Water checks the plants are water is water or not, and status tells if the plant is dry or not. This shows how I use object oriented programming to define reusable features for all plants. Then I created a subclass called flower, which inherits from plant. It adds an extra attribute called color and a method describe that prints the flower name and color. Finally, I made a garden class to manage all the plants. I used a list called self plant to store the flower objects. There are three methods. Add plant takes user input to create a flower, water all waters every flower in the list, and so all display the status of each flower. This class brings everything together and handles user interaction. Now I'll run the program to show how it works. I'll start by choosing option 1 to add a flower. Then I'll enter a name Rose and the color is red. The flower gets added to the garden now. Next, I'll add a second flower mm, called tulip this time. Tulip and the color yellow. Now I'll choose option 2 to water all the flowers in the garden. And finally, I'll select option 3 to display the status of each flower. Option 3. As you can see, both flowers are now marked as watered. And I can now I'll exit the program by choosing option 4. Now here you can see this now. This project taught me how to build and use multiple classes, how to create a subclass using inheritance, and how to interact with the user input and print statements. I also learned how to use lists to keep track of objects. If I were to do this again, I might add an extra vegetable class or include stages of plants growth to make the garden more realistic. Okay, thank you for watching my mini garden project. I hope you enjoyed it.